Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video, we'll discuss how to use automatic window tiling on macOS Sequoia. So with that being said, let's get started. On the latest version of macOS, we get window tiling feature. Using it, you can tile multiple windows in a screen. To use window tiling feature, simply open the application you want to tile, then simply drag the application to the left and it will cover the half of your screen. Similarly, if you drag the window to the right, it will cover half of your right screen. Similarly, you can tile windows to corners. For that, simply drag the window to the corner and it will be tiled. As you can see here, you can do it in 4 corners. So this way you can use 4 windows in a screen. There is also another method to use this feature. For that, simply hover your mouse to this green button and here you will find different tiling option. As you can see here. So that's it. This way you can use window tiling on macOS Sequoia. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.